Well, Mrs. has come down sick this morning, so it's my turn to go out and play with the snow, aka this evil white nuisance. Pan around you for a bit. Doesn't look like much on the view screen, but we've got about 6 to 8 inches of this awful evil white garbage. For somebody born, bred, and raised in Minnesota, I don't like this stuff. Not at all. Of course, the girls here, I know, George, I know. Girls are saying, hey, it's cold out here. Feed us. But she came out to say hi. And I figured I should get an update at least. Yeah, see, look how deep it is there for Aurora. Past her knees, just about. Mr. Carl over here, wondering what I'm doing the average on. Alright, let me hit the pause button here. Get you guys meal set up. Where's the pause button? Man, my fingers are so cold. There it is. Okay, we're out of the wind again. Got the girls fed. Get them their treats. And it's not too bad in here. Almost comfy. We're expecting the little black and white one right here to probably be the first one to kid. And she's got some time, but we're ready. At least I hope so. Got a heat lamp in there. It's a 55-gallon barrel. Put the bottom cut out and a bit of straw in there. So that should do. It's done in the past, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, before my fingers freeze off too bad here, I'll hit the pause button again, get the voice taken care of. You're out there screaming at me yet.